Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Court adjourns Nnamdi Kanu's suit against DSS, AGF to February 28. Court adjourned Nnamdi Kanu's suit against DSS, AGF to February 28. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, stay tuned as I read today's news. Justice Taiwo of the Federal High Court, Abuja, on Monday adjourned a fundamental right enforcement suit filed by detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, against the Department of State Security Services, its Director General, and the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice to February 28. Kanu sued the DSS and AGF over allegation of poor medical attention being given to him in the detention facility of the DSS. The suit, marked FHC ABJCS 158521, was filed on behalf of Kanu by a member of his legal team, Barrister Maxwell Okpara. By the suit, the applicant wants an order of court directing the respondent to immediately allow him to appoint an independent medical practitioner of his choice from a certified government hospital to review his medical files. Kanu also is seeking an order to allow him access to facility and material for the practice of his religion. The applicant also is praying the court to direct the respondent to immediately remove him from solitary confinement. Furthermore, Kanu is seeking a perpetual injunction restraining the respondent, their authorized agent by whatever name so-called, from further disturbing or interfering with his right to dignity of human person and freedom thought, conscience and religion, or in any way infringing on its constitutional right as guaranteed by law, or from making any attempt capable of violating his right as guaranteed under the Constitution. Among other reliefs, the applicant wants a declaration that, notwithstanding that the applicant is in the respondent's detention facility, the actions of the respondent in keeping the applicant in solitary confinement, providing him with co-work and incompetent medical services, and depriving him his right to have access to his medical report, amount to mental torture and concomitantly subject the applicant to inhumane and degrading treatment. Thus, a gross violation of the applicant's right to dignity of human person as guaranteed under Section 34(1)(a) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, and Articles 5 African Charter on Human and People's Rights, Ratification and Enforcement, Act Cap. A9 Volume 1 LFN 2004. In an affidavit deposed by Emmanuel Kanu, it was averred that despite the fact that there is a subsisting order of court that issued of unrestricted access to the medical practitioner of his choice, that the respondent are still preventing him from enjoyment quality medical care. Emmanuel said he paid a routine visit to the applicant at the respondent detention facility on 9th day of December 2021, at about 3 p.m. in presence of Abila G. Toshak ESQ, and he told him that the medical practitioner that has so far attended to him is the one is suspected to be an incompetent one, and the respondent have denied him access to his medical report and records. When the matter came up for mentioning, it was discovered that the DSS was yet to serve its counter affidavit on the applicant's lawyer. On its part, the AGF's office filed a motion for extension of time within which to file its counter affidavit in opposition to the suit. In view of the foregoing, Justice Taiwo had to adjourn to February 28 for hearing. Justice Taiwo of the Federal High Court Abuja on Monday adjourned a fundamental right enforcement suit filed by detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, against the Department of State Security Service, its Director General, and the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice to February 28. Kanu sued the DSS and AGF over allegation of poor medical attention being given to him in the detention facility of the DSS. The suit marked FHC ABJ CS 158521 was filed on behalf of Kanu by a member of his legal team, Barrister Maxwell Okpara. By the suit, the applicant wants an order of court directing the respondent to immediately allow him to appoint an independent medical practitioner of his choice from a certified government hospital to review his medical files. Kanu also is seeking an order to allow him access to facilitate and material for the practice of his religion. The applicant also is praying the court to direct the respondent to immediately remove him from solitary confinement. To my dear listeners,